County. They were not for us.
Well, they were all for it.
All for us.
It was for to have. But I had promised my father on his deathbed that I would finish college. But he was persistent. I gave in.
ABC Now projects Carter is the winner with 272 electoral votes.
Their adventure together took them to the White House in January of 1977.
As Jimmy said earlier, there's no way that we would be here tonight with Jimmy President of the United States without your help.
It was a difficult 4 years. After hostages were taken at the American Embassy in Iran, his presidency ended after just one term.
President Carter, you say often that marrying Mrs. Carter was the pinnacle of your life, more than any presidency.
Oh, yeah. That was the most important thing in my life. It was happy and joyful, and obviously long lasting. Every night, we try to make sure we completely reconcile from all this